Welcome back to another video. We're going to solve a small problem that most people have had. It's cutting through larger branches, even wood for that matter. These ones here are from Horsty. I believe that's pronounced correctly. Yeah, they're reciprocating saw blades, but they're for pruning. These are a 5 TPI, and they're actually pretty, they have a little flex, but they're pretty solid. You can see here all the teeth on it. When you look at this way, it's a little hard to see on camera, but they kind of go back and forth a little bit. So it's gonna rip through that wood really easy. You can see behind me, I'm ripping out old bushes. I already cut the limbs off, but I'm going through this, I'm like, man, I should show these blades that I'm using because the price is right. You'll see it on Amazon, and they rip right through it. These come in multiple sizes. This one here is a 9-inch. I'm gonna have that because it's a little bit thicker, and once you pair it up with a reciprocating saw, you want it to be larger than the object you're cutting through, because as it goes back and forth, this will actually turn into basically like a 7-inch blade. Let's just do the first one. I'm just gonna hold this in the air, and you'll see the power of this. I guess I should have had it down something because you saw my hand was going like that. But again, it cuts right through it. Nice and easy. Let's go over to this bush now. I'll show you that. Again, a majority of the time, you're using it to cut down like limbs. So again, just so it cuts through pretty easy. Again, this isn't a chainsaw, so I don't think you're just gonna rip through it in 2 seconds. So it takes just a hair longer, but you know, like I said, yeah, reciprocating saw at home, you need to cut down branches. This is your ticket. Let me go ahead and cut through this thicker section so you can see. So I'm gonna cut through this. I'm just gonna cut it from, I think in the back here. I'll try to do it from the front so you can actually see it. So you saw that. That went through that pretty easy. Again, just takes, what was that, like 15 seconds? A little bit thicker too. I'll show you the top here. That's about, oh, my phone's twisting. Probably like 3.5 inches, something like that. Let me tighten up my camera here, it's starting to swivel. The other thing that I really like using these for, so I'm cutting out bushes right now, and I'll see if I can see it over here. Right down here, you can see the roots. So this will dull your blade some, but it can handle it. So all you're doing is you're just gonna cut the roots. You already dug around the base of this. You're just cutting off the roots, and before you know it, you can pop this whole thing out. see there. I'll try holding it. So I just cut through the root. I'm going to keep going the whole way around this. And before you know it, you just pop this whole thing out and you're done. So again, even though this went through the dirt, it's still pretty sharp. Do you want to keep doing that? No. That's why it's nice the price is right. If you go through a few blades, it's not going to matter. And you're going to get the job done. So I actually did, I think, 8 of these before I dulled the blade. So that's pretty good. So considering hitting a rock or going through dirt or whatever. So I'm going to finish up here, and before you know it, we'll be done. Or not. The root is out. Those ones won't matter because they're down in the ground. Again, here's our blades. You can see the tips just have a little bit of wear, but nothing major. So just keep going around like that before you know it, it's out. One little tip. Also, if you're cutting through thick stuff, instead of just trying to go straight down, if you go back and forth like this, it'll go a little bit quicker. Oops. Back and forth like this. And then that way it's less wood to cut through, and just start, then you can hit the middle, do the side again, other side, come down the middle. Hope this was helpful to a lot of people. This is a great cheap way to get bushes out. I used to just pull them with my truck, but I actually messed up my transmission the one time by doing so. So again, got the blades from Horsby. Hopefully you enjoyed this. See you in the next video.